seconds. Start. The said amount be deposited with the registrar of this court within the period of 45 days following which the appeal shall stand dismissed on this deposit as well as other deposits stated above. The auction purchaser can withdraw this. Liberty is also given to the auction purchaser to file action against the bank for any omission committed by it. Liberty is given to the appellant as well as to the builder to get the registry executed in favor of the appellant within 2 months thereafter, that is, after the elapse of 45 days mentioned above. Stamp duty, etc., will be paid by the appellant. The bank is further directed to furnish the statement of account minus the penal clause within 10 days. The bank is further directed to return the amount deposited by the auction purchaser in the sum of rupees 25 lakhs along with the normal interest at the rate 9% per annum, simple without prejudice to his right against the bank. The matter stand disposed of. Auction purchaser and the appellant are directed to sign this order. Aggrieved by the aforesaid order, the bank preferred writ petition and raised two contentions, namely, 1. The draft had modified a reasonable and detailed order passed DRT by this very unexpected and unreasonable order, and 2. That the draft erred in granting liberty to the third respondent to initiate any action against the bank for any omission. The High Court, by the impugned order in the first paragraph, dealt with the element of the claim of penal interest and opined that the grievance of the bank was baseless. Thereafter, adverting to the grant of 9% interest towards deposit made by the auction purchaser with the bank, observed that there was no error in the same, as the money was lying with the bank. Thereafter, the writ court proceeded to observe as learned counsel for the auction purchaser points out that, in fact, this interest of 9% is really not full compensation but only part compensation, as liberty has been granted to the auction purchaser to pursue the remedy against the bank, as according to the auction purchaser this property was auctioned by the petitioner bank without even disclosing the factum of the case pending between the owner and the bank in the DRT. We see no reason to exercise our extraordinary writ jurisdiction under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. The learned senior counsel appearing for the appellant submitted that though two issues were raised, yet he would confine his relief to the second one only.